Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to start fresh in Mario Kart Tour. If you want to start fresh in Mario Kart Tour and reset your progress, first of all, open up the Mario Kart Tour application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Now from the home page, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu button, go ahead and tap on Settings. Now scroll all the way down from the settings menu and look for the Start Fresh button and tap on it. Once you do that, all of the game's saved data and the rubies that you've purchased will also be reset. So if you're sure you want to reset and start fresh, tap on Delete All Saved Data. Once you do that, you can open up the game again and it should prompt you to start fresh. That is how you start fresh in Mario Kart. Whether you want to try a new account or just reset your progress, now you are all set. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.